Can I have one lemon?
Yes, you can.
We can put one lemon. Please can I have one apple?
Yes, you can.
Please can I have one milk?
Yes, you can.
Please can I have one butter?
Yes, you can.
Can I have three carrots?
Yes, you can.
Please can I have 2 bananas?
Yes, you can.
How much it cost?
2 bananas, 3 carrots, one lemon, 1 apple, 1 milk, 2 bananas, and 1 butter. This is $20.
20.
Deu.
I don't have 20. That's 15.
And bye.
Thank you.
Goodbye.